Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Muñoz. I am a member of Group 9 and I am going to talk to you about one of the fields in which a veterinary can apply. Food and animal nutrition industry. A veterinarian can apply in the field of food and animal nutrition industry because has a deep knowledge of animal biology, physiology, and health, which is crucial for developing food varieties that can improve the health of Kenyans of different age. Additionally, his clinical experience allows them to identify common nutrition problems and design specific diets that address this need and can prevent these problems in Kenya. Additionally, they have the ability to interpret scientific research, ensuring that products are safe, effective, and supported by evidence. Veterinarians in this field can also provide valuable guidance on labeling and marketing, ensuring that the information is accurate and reliable. Finally, your professional credibility can increase consumer confidence in food products, which is important for success in the market. Thank you.